Hi there. In this lecture, we are going to talk a little bit more about mental models. I will begin this lecture with a thought of Professor Wind and a drawing from Professor Sterman. Wind said, our mental models shape the opportunities and threats that we can see in our lives. Sterman explained in his books Business Dynamics that we get information from real world and based on our mental models, we decide what to do. Of course, the decision will affect the real world, and we will have new information. If you are aware of our mental models, maybe we can change them. But it's not a simple thing to do. On my website, I recommend you to watch the Steve Jobs interview before this lecture. If you haven't, you should pause this presentation here, watch the video and come back. Mental models can blind us, as Steve Jobs said about the Xerox PNG prototypes. He admitted that he could see applications for the graphical user interface, but was blinded about object-oriented development and computer network system. He said, "They showed me 3 things, but I was so blinded that I just see one." But, as he said, the Xerox executives were blinded for all applications. Steve Jobs says, Xerox could own the entire computer industry. I like it when the Xerox employees said, in 1 hour they are the Steve Jobs guys, understood our technology better than our executives in years. Let's come back to Sterman drawing. In his books, he details the problems in the learning process. In short, real world is complex. The information feedback can be selective. The data can be ambiguous. The mental models may be not adequate. Consequently, the strategies may not be appropriate to the problem that we want to solve. The question is, how to improve our mental models? Sterman suggests that we could have a virtual world where you could simulate many aspects of the real world. By simulation, you could have a better understanding of the real world, improving our mental models and taking better decisions. By simulation, you have a better understanding of real worlds. I do recommend you to read Business Dynamics book, one of the most important books of system dynamics. In engineering, we use flight simulators to improve the pilot's mental models. We train them in very different scenarios. We want to improve their flight skills, avoiding accidents. The Army, the Navy, the Marines use simulators too. Our medicine students use simulation to learn how to deal with a particular complex system, our bodies. Business dynamics deals with building computational models in order to understand different business dynamics. Models help us to bring to surface our mental models and test hypotheses. That's the end of lecture 7. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.